Today we will see about prokaryotes. So what are prokaryotes and where they are kept? Regarding this one question is, first we will see that and then we will understand about prokaryotes. So what is question? Prokaryotes are included in the group. In which group prokaryotes are included? Or in which group prokaryotes are kept? Options are, we have four options: Monera, Basidiomycetes, fungi, spermophytes. So you have 5 seconds to give the correct answer. Please give the answer in comment section. Now we will see the correct answer. So correct answer is Monera. Rest 3 options are wrong answer. Now we will see the explanation of this question. See, Monera, in this group all prokaryotes are kept. If we see 5 kingdom classification system, in 5 kingdom classification system, in Monera all members of bacteria are kept. So in Monera the sole members are what? All bacteria. To see bacteria we use microscope, and bacteria are unicellular. This is the one of the most important characteristic of bacteria, that they are unicellular and they have a special cell wall, and they don't have true nucleus, rather than they have nucleated region, and they don't have cell membrane bound organelles. So prokaryotes are those cells in which nucleus is absent and membrane bound organelles are also absent. So here bacteria means both archaebacteria and eubacteria. Archaebacteria are the oldest living fossils. We call them oldest living fossils, and eubacteria are the true bacteria. Basidiomycetes are a type of fungi, and spermophytes or spermatophytes are seed-bearing plants. So if we talk about the bacteria, which are kept in Monera, it means Archaebacteria, are known as oldest living fossils. Eubacteria are true bacteria. Cyanobacteria 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 is nothing but blue-green algae, BGA. Mycoplasma, singular. Mycoplasmas, plural. So mycoplasmas, jokers of plant kingdom. Rickettsia, rickettsia. These are intracellular means inside cells they are found. Intracellular and non-motile bacteria. Next, Chlamydia, Chlamydia. These are energy parasites. Energy parasites. And one last group, the last group of bacteria is actinomycetes. Actinomycetes. These bacteria are known as filamentous bacteria. These bacteria are known as filamentous bacteria, mycelial bacteria, mycobacteria, or ray fungi. Ray fungi. Ray fungi. Because they have mycelium structure, and mycelium is a characteristic of fungi, but these are bacteria, that's why they are known as actinomycetes. Fungi are eukaryotic in nature because they have true nucleus, while actinomycetes or ray fungi are prokaryotes, they don't have true nucleus. So all these 7 groups of bacteria are kept where? They are kept in Monera.